Affine versus Obsidian. Everyone says that this beats Notion. Today I ran real-world tests to find out, and in the next couple of minutes, you'll clearly see which one actually fits the way you work so you don't waste time switching tools later. Both apps aim to help you organize notes, ideas, and projects, but they do it in very different ways, and that difference matters more than anything else. Starting with Affine, it feels more like an all-in-one workspace right away. You can create pages, write notes, and also switch to a visual board where you can move things around freely. That means if you like seeing your ideas laid out visually, like sticky notes or diagrams, it gives you that flexibility without needing extra tools. Everything is built to feel connected, so you can go from writing to planning without breaking your flow. It also supports collaboration, so if you're working with others, sharing and editing together is straightforward. On the other side, Obsidian focuses on simplicity and control. Instead of storing your notes online by default, everything is saved locally on your device. That makes it fast and gives you full ownership on your files. What really stands out is how it connects your notes. You can link ideas together, and over time it builds a network of your thoughts. This is especially useful if you're dealing with a lot of information and want to see how everything relates. However, it can feel a bit plain at first, and you may need to install extra add-ons to unlock more features. When it comes to ease of use, Affine is more beginner-friendly. You open it and most features are already there and easy to understand. Obsidian, while powerful, has a bit of learning curve. You need to set things up and explore its options to get the most out of it. If you enjoy customizing your tools, that's a strength. If you just want something ready to go, it can slow you down at the start. For everyday use, think about how you prefer to work. If you like a clean, flexible space where writing and visual planning happen together, Affine feels more complete out of the box. If you care about speed, privacy, and building a deep system of connected notes over time, Obsidian stands out. So which one actually wins? It depends on your style. If you want something simple to start but powerful later, Obsidian is a strong choice. If you want something that already feels like a full workspace from day one, Affine is easier to stick with. The better option is the one that matches how you think and organize, because that's what you'll actually keep using.